This is the remote control. Let's turn one on. There, that looks better, doesn't it? With some light on one side of my face, I'm looking far better lit. Now, we can also change the colour. We can go yellow, we can go blue, but I think for this purpose, neutral white's the best. The problem, of course, with this is only one side of my face is lit, so this side is quite dark. Let's fix that. Turn on a fill light. There we go. Now we have two lights on and I look so much better. This side is filled in, but I still look 3D because I've got this light turned down lower than the main light. These lights are adjustable for power. Now, the last problem is my hair's probably still not separating quite perfectly from the background because it picks up the green from the backdrop. The easiest way to fix that is to add in a hair light on a boom above. So let's turn that one on as well. There we go. Now we've got all three lights on. The main light's on nice and high. The fill light's on just subtly. The hair light is lighting up my hair to help separate me from the background, and the video is going to look amazing. Thank you very much for joining me here at Image Melbourne.